Hey guys, it's Jess for do a quick Etsy haul. I was waiting for a couple of these things to come in, so they did. It's only 2 shops, but it's a lot of stickers, and I want to get right to them, so let's start. Okay, so the first shop is Sweet Ava's Paper, and this is the envelope it comes in. It is adorable. It's like a hedgehog on a unicorn in the clouds. It's gorgeous. And then this one is the little card it comes with, and it's a cat on a purple unicorn. Love it. So let's get to what I picked up from them. Here is the little freebie that comes. There's a cat doing dishes in the middle, and this is Rise and Grind on that cup. Then, because I started a new YouTube channel and I had the plans to do it, I want to put them up when I want to and hope people enjoy it. So I picked up these 2 upload and film sticker sheets. I've already used 2 of them. And I haven't used the upload because sometimes it takes me like 2 or 3 days to edit the videos because I use my phone. But I really have a really good app. You'll see the little, I think it's down in this corner, the watermark for the app that I use. Then I picked up these magical AF stickers. The girl has an afro with different color afro. With different color hair. If that's not me, the only color I haven't done, personally, is this yellow color here. And it's not looking too bad. I've done a green, I've done a purple, that purple, and I have magenta in right now. Then I picked up some breakfast stickers. I love the Pop-Tarts. Something about those Pop-Tarts really make me happy. The juice and the milk, of course, because they're smiling, but those Pop-Tarts, look at them little pieces. I can't. And then I also picked up some more bows. And also, I got a little card. It says cheers. It's so cute. Let me see. And then Sweet Ava's Paper. This is her card. I should have showed it in the beginning. But she does have a... she does have a rewards program that you collect the stars, and then on your 6th order, you get a free sampler, and if you collect 10 stars, you get 30% off on your 11th order. So I love when shops do that because it makes you come back for more. Oh, here's the star. It's on her little sampler right there. It says collect the star. Some was the Planner Buddies. Now, I got a ton of stickers from this shop, which is very rare for me to go all out. I just thought that the stickers were so adorable, I had to get them. Okay, so let's show you what I got for free. Look at this little, I think, yes, it's an elephant with glitter hat. The glitter is matte, the whole thing is matte, but it's traveling. I cannot wait because I'm going on vacation in May, so I'm going to use that, bring that in my traveler's notebook. Then this was the freebie sheet, like the thank you sheet. I like this little guy right here, like, it's raining, but he's not too sad because he's got boots on. So it's like, do what you got to do. And this little freebie sheet. I don't know if it's a freebie sheet or she just threw it in. Thank you so much because it's really cute. There's 2 unicorns. One's holding a flower and one's sitting on a flower. Okay, so let me show you what I picked up. What I purchased. Okay, so first things first. I picked up a couple of sheets of full boxes. I picked up this... mermaid one. Okay. And I also picked up this school one. Even though it's a school one, to me, it's a school one because of like all the math, like the math that's right there. And maybe like that graduation cap. Everything else to me is planner looking, planner planning related. So that's why I picked that up. And for these, I think I'm going to use these in my TN just because they don't come with anything else. Like it's not a kit. So I have to like kind of... In my TN, I don't want too much. I'll show you guys in another video. But these are for my TN. Next, I picked up... I don't know if there's not names on any of these. Let me double check. These, so I'm just going to have to describe them. This is a winking cupcake. This is a dinosaur that has like some math issues. This is 1 + 1 = question mark. I'm going to use this for my kids. This is going to go right in my boys section of my sticker book. When they need help with like math and homework and projects and stuff like that. Another one of the elephants eating a salad. A narwhal having a lazy day. A sloth in the movie theater with popcorn. I can't. These are making me laugh because I really think they're that cute. An elephant. I guess she has like some Happy Meal. So an elephant with Happy Meal. Then the next couple are all mermaids. Okay. So I got a mermaid shopping. And you can pick the skin tone of your mermaid. Mermaid with food cart. A mermaid eating pizza, which I don't eat a lot of pizza anymore. I went on, not a diet, but like a lifestyle change. But every now and then I still allow myself to have pizza because, you know, one cannot live without pizza. And we have a workout mermaid. Then we have a mermaid on the go. This is just like when I'm going to be running errands. That's what I'm going to be using that one for. A mermaid. This is funny because I got two mermaids doing laundry. This mermaid is happy. This mermaid is not happy. And I will bring out my planner in a second. And this is a mermaid just kind of drinking a coffee on the go. Even though, look, it's just a cup with a heart on it. It doesn't necessarily have to be a coffee. Let me just show you a couple of these next to the boxes, just so you know. Here's the die cut, because sometimes I'm like, how big is that die cut? Here's a die cut. So it would take over a whole box. And this is a Michael's Recollections Planner. Okay, guys, so here are the mermaids with the coffee cup next to the boxes so you can see how big they are. They're small. They're like perfect for adding in. The laundry one is a little bit bigger, but all the rest of them are pretty much the same size. You can see. And the sloth one, of course, is small. They're all small ones. I like tiny ones just so I can get them, you know, a lot of stickers on my layouts. Any questions about anything that I got today, please let me know. I'm going to try to link the shops below. And then I also will post a picture on Instagram so you guys can see their Instagram feeds. And a lot of these shops are in like those massive sales and have coupon codes. I'm not sponsored by any of these shops. I just shop them. Sweet Ava's paper I've shopped from before, but this is the first time I shopped at Planner Buddies. Thanks for watching, guys. Come back and see another video from Crafty Mama Plans within this coming week. Okay, bye, guys.